let's make this nostalgic chicken rice-roni dish. So I had some poached chicken with poached in lemongrass and ginger, garlic, and it was the perfect base for a chicken and rice dish that my mom made when I was a young girl. The macaroni was just what made it back then, so I wanted to recreate that dish. So there was poached chicken in there and as well as some pork belly, but that is absolutely optional. The base is similar to jollof rice. Added the chicken in, and then to serve it, I finished it with some homemade crispy chili oil with a glass of a carrot-based smoothie. This was just a great dish that took me right back to my childhood. Anyone can make it. If you have some tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, some curry powder, tomato puree, then you've got all the base, and all you need is some rice, some poached chicken, as well as the chicken stock. This is such a pleasurable dish to make with the family, and I hope you try it. Add the macaroni when it's about 8 minutes to the end of the cooking time, or just follow the packet instructions. There's something soothing about having a mixture of macaroni and rice in one dish. Enjoy it. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.